Hi, hello, good morning, students. So today's in this video, we're going to see the topics. The second part of a formation company is okay. So let's see in this video. The first the incorporation of, so first the previous video, so we have seen the what is the promotion of the companies, who is the promoter. So in this videos is the next stages of incorporation company. So what are the documents required for so start a business, what are the things should follow by a promoter to register your company. So these are things we're gonna be seeing in these videos. Okay, incorporation of company. So incorporation is as a company certificate is mandatory for as a new company. Okay, there's there is a two certificates was very essential for as a new company. So one is incorporation certificates, next one is a commencement of business certificate. Okay, so these two certificates are very essential for as a new company. Okay, so in this way, in this slide, so incorporations companies brings some separate corporate entity. Okay, so already in the previous video already said, so the person will separate one the company. So after register or after startups are started means the company will entirely different from persons. Okay, so that's denotes a separate corporate entity. Okay, the first point is as per the section 3 subsection 1. So the company is having the separate, uh, unique rules and formation procedures is different from public and private. Okay, the first one is seven or more persons so needed for a public company. Okay, so when new company is going to start under this act of 2013, so who are the members who are eligible to participating in their companies as a member, as a directors. So there will be mentioned that be prescribing the prescribed law. So seven or more members for a public company. The second one is a two or more person is mandatorily required for a private company. So without that, without the guidelines, without that kind of things, so nobody can start a new companies under the act. Okay, so one person is going to start a company as a private. So one person company, the sole proprietorship. Okay, so that will be called one person company. Okay, so next thing is the preliminary steps. What are the steps you're going to follow? Okay, that's per section 4, subsection 2. The company cannot register with a name. Okay, definitely I would mention as a private or public or LLP or a one person. So definitely I would mention the company name at the end of private or public or LLP. Okay, so register. Okay, so register name is very is important for to and under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Okay, so second point, a fee for the 500 bill, as you know, they going to charge 500 for register your company fund, and also so you're adding a register signature at the time of registration. So okay, so third point is register ROC approval is very important. Okay, ROC is the person is going to register your documents with valid points. Valid provisions, valid rules. Okay, so the person have authority to register your company is under the Act of Company Law. The fourth point is will be incorporation certification. You're going to be getting after that. Incorporation certificate is a legal license for starting the companies with the help of chartered accountants and legal advisors. So fifth point is drafting the memorandum articles. Okay, next step is the final step of your registration. So going to make a memorandum and article association for your company with reference with the information in depth to details. So all those things which is mandatorily mentioned in that. Okay. So next thing is the registration stage. So what are the registration stage you're going to follow? First thing is memorandum, MOA. So in the MOA already I said it's a fundamental documents for a company. So minimum seven members required for a public company. In case of two or for private company. So there the other things should be mentioned and in this association documents. Okay. The next one is article association. Article association is signed and submitted by the company is a promoters. So all the members who have previously signed MOA that also can sign this document. Okay, because next step is a list of directors, who are the directors and who have performing under the name of company. So, while you registered, while you register companies, so they're going to be attached to the list of directors. Okay, who is going to participate under your company. So directors company they have also written consent regarding I'm the directors. I'm going to take the part of into the company's activities. So these are things which will I had given to the promoters or given for the registrations and with the approval of ROC. Okay, the notice of address needs to be filed. So where we started our business, in which location, which is belongs to interstate or interstate. So these are things mandatory for giving while you register company. Okay, so statutory declaration is very important. So advocate or a legal advice or a court, so it comes to checking and getting verified your company locations or directors and director visitors, directing visitings like so. All this process once complete means like going to giving the incorporation certificate. Okay, so last one is certificate of commencement of business. Okay, these two certificates very important for us starting a business further to enter into commercial activities. Okay, so next thing, what are the documents required for while you're registering company? Okay. So first one is document from directors and shareholders, because who is going to participating with company's activities or come with your business, plans or like suggestions, ideas, bring some ideas to making some innovation with your products. So very important, their PAN number, ID proof, license, e-bill, I mean electricity bill, water bill, what is the bank statements, so these very mandatory documents for registration. To the first point, the passport size photographs and also signed documents, consent documents. Okay, the form dir director. Okay, so it's a very important consent and declaration forms from director sides, then signed by shareholders. The shareholders like signature certificate, DSC, digital signature certificate, and subscribers and directors. Okay, incorporation form number 9. So very important. There will be shareholders giving some declarations. Okay, read it and read and sign the documents. Okay, the fourth one is a company or LLP or a trademark ownership any. So the board of resolution. So the company definitely conducting the board resolution to the members. Okay, so directors or shareholders. Okay, who might be participating in the event. So they will be attend and participating in the attendance sheets will be mentioned or attached with as a back documents. Okay, so last one is registered office address. So the branch or addresses will be different areas. Also, they are also mentioning this is a branch which is located in different areas, but this is a main branch. So this is a Bangalore. Bangalore means this is a main address means I will attach all the ID proofs, all the address proofs attached with the documents. So thank you for listening my video.